In this video, I'm going to explain how choosing the right domain name could help you rank higher in search engines faster. By the way, my name is Clint. On this channel, I give tutorials on things like content marketing, SEO, web design, and more. So if that's you, consider subscribing to stay up to date when new content comes out. Your domain name is the URL address that people type in to find your website. When it comes to ranking for a keyword phrase, one of the best ways is to have that keyword phrase in your domain name. Now, many businesses use their brand name for their domain name, which is not wrong or bad, and you will still be able to rank for keyword phrases, but I would be doing you wrong if I didn't explain this simple hack. For example, if I created a folder design and I wanted that folder printed, I might go to Google and type in folder printers. The first organic search result is folderprinters.com. If you look at the domain authority, you can see that it's 18. And if you're like, okay, what is domain authority? Be sure to go back to my first video of this course where I explain what it is and how to increase it. You can also see that they have a Google My Business profile. This takes up the whole right-hand side of search results too. And I'm going to show you how to set this up later. If you look at the next search result, it says companyfolders.com. It has a domain authority of 57. That's about 3 times higher than folderprinters.com. The domain name helps them outrank websites that have a higher domain authority. Here is another example of how domain name plays a role in showing up in search results. The key phrase is Denver Yoga Therapy. The first page result comes from denveryogatherapy.com with a domain authority of 7. The second result is reconnectionyogatherapy.com, a friend's website that I helped rank here with a domain authority of 5. Now, these two websites are beating out other websites with a much higher domain authority because yoga therapy is part of their domain name. So if you have a key phrase that you really want to rank for fast, a way to fast track this is to create a website that has the key phrase in the domain name. And if you type in domain name checker into Google, you can find a ton of websites like GoDaddy and Squarespace that let you search different domains to see what is available and how much it costs. Look, I get it. Everybody wants to have a cool business name as the URL for their website. But if you're trying to get people online and your business name or website domain name isn't set in stone, then this could be an awesome way to get some early traction. If you want a free SEO guide for this and my other courses that covers all the stuff I talk about in this video, make sure that you click the link in the description box and download it for yourself. If you want to see the next part of this course, then click on the next video here. I mean, if you're trying to grow your business, maybe you should just go ahead and click it unless you're not here anymore. Are you still here? Go ahead and click it. Why not? It's free. See this next course. Go for it.